Tired of being limited to one operating system? Want to run Linux, Mac, or there's another Windows version on your Windows 11 PC without breaking the bank or losing data? Watch this video to the end to know how you can run multiple OS on your Windows 11 PC using a software called Oracle VM VirtualBox. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Are you a cybersecurity enthusiast or a tech savvy looking to run multiple operating systems? You've come to the right place. Thanks to cloud computing and virtualization, you can now run multiple OS on your host system. Whether you want to install Linux or Mac OS on your Windows 11 PC, this tutorial is for you and to guide you through the process of installing another operating system on your host system. Today, I'll show you how to install the Oracle VirtualBox on Windows 11. Before we dive in, ensure your system meets basic requirements such as a compatible CPU and at least 4 GB of RAM. Now, let's dive in. One thing we need before installing a virtual machine like the Oracle VirtualBox for Windows 11 PC is to disable the Hyper-V service. In my next video, I'll walk you through the steps to disable Hyper-V and explain why disabling it is crucial for running other virtualization software like the Oracle VM VirtualBox. With Hyper-V disabled, we are ready to proceed with the VirtualBox installation. Let's get started with the installation. Follow along on your screen as I install the Oracle VirtualBox on Windows 11 PC. If you stay with me, hit that like button, subscribe for more, and share with others. That's it. You've successfully installed the Oracle VirtualBox on your Windows 11 PC. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more tech tutorials, and share with others who might also benefit from it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video.